Welcome to Guy's Eyes is Pavan Samuel. Bartending course is designed to provide students with the knowledge and skills needed to work as a bartender. The course covers a wide range of topics related to bartending, including Mixology. This covers topics related to the art of creating cocktails, including the ingredients, tools, and techniques used to make various drinks. Bartending tools and equipment. This includes learning about the various tools and equipment used in bartending, such as shakers, jiggers, strainers, and glassware. Alcoholic beverages. This covers the different types of alcoholic beverages, including beer, wine, spirits, liqueurs, and cordials, and their properties. Customer service. This includes topics related to interacting with customers, handling customer complaints, and providing excellent customer service. Laws and regulations. This covers the laws and regulations related to serving alcohol, including the legal drinking age, responsible alcohol service, and liability issues. Inventory and cost control. This includes learning how to manage inventory, track sales, and control costs to maximize profits. Bar management. This covers topics related to managing a bar, including hiring and training staff, creating drink menus, and managing finances. Bartending courses can vary in length and format, from short workshops to longer certificate programs. Some courses may include hands-on training and practice in a simulated bar environment, while others may require students to complete an internship or externship in a real bar or restaurant setting.